ChatGPT, can you solve the second day problems of Advent of Code 2024? Let's see. So I have a ChatGPT prepared here. So let's take the problem description from day 2. So it's going to be all of this. Let's see. Can you solve the following problem? Input file is attached. And we have to attach the input file, of course. So now let's see. Okay, so it's getting the differences between the numbers and then checking if all are decreasing or increasing, also by with checking the difference between the numbers are valid. So that seems correct. The result is 516 on my input, and that matches what I got when solving it. So the first part was pretty easy for ChatGPT. Let's see about part 2. Okay, so let's see what happens. We have, so it's, yeah, exactly. So it's taking the same report, modifying it, and then validating if it's safe. So that seems exactly what I've done. And 561, exactly the right result. So ChatGPT was able to, once again, it was able to beat Advent of Code 2024 day 2. So let's see if it continues to day 3 as well. See you next time.